Welcome to Biology 101 Online at Mesa State College. I'm Dr. Tom Walla. I'm the instructor for this course. By now you should have checked out my introductory video that tells you a bit about who I am. And what this video does is tells you a little bit about how to navigate WebCT, how to get started in the course. And for most of you it's just superfluous talk, but you can take a look. The course is going to be organized. We have lecture and lab, so most of you are in both a lecture and lab, so this is for both of those courses. They're listed separately in your online course listings. When you go into the course itself, you'll see a course contents page, and this course is organized in units so that we have 3 main units. That includes Exam 1, Exam 2, and Exam 3. The first unit covers the molecules of life, the kingdoms, and how cells function. And the second unit is on genetics. And the third unit is on human physiology and the tissues and organs and such. So I think that the way to think about the course, like the most important thing to do right away, is to read the syllabus all the way through. There's a few important things in there. The first thing you're going to notice is exams in this class are proctored. That means that you have to go to a testing facility at Mesa State College or some other college and take the exams. That just helps assure that everybody's doing their own work on their exams, and it hasn't been much of a problem for people. If you'd like to take the exam not with Mesa State, you need to contact me. You can use an official proctor. There is on the web links page on the course contents page on the left side, you'll see a tool for web links. There's a link there to Mesa State's proctoring, official proctoring rules, I guess it is. And that will tell you what types of people can function as proctors. I have to be contacted by those people, and then I'll send them the codes so that they can then allow you to take the exam. That's a bit more work, but it works for some people, so it's not a problem. What else do we have? I think the other important things you'll see in there is the course is self-paced, and that means that, and particularly for the lab, I'm going to mention this, there are due dates written on the labs. Those due dates don't correspond to any point counts. The only due date in this class is the end of the semester. So when the semester ends, that's when you should be worried about having everything in. But please turn in things along the way. Those of you that procrastinate, I will lose you, I am sure. I would say less than 2 in 50 people successfully complete the course at the very end. It just doesn't work out so well. So please do your best to keep up with the suggested due dates and then turn in materials as soon as you're done with them. That being said, if you're late in the class turning a lot of things in, it may be slower to get them back because I may not be able to grade them if they come in a big lump at the end. So what else do we have? So I guess the major things you should be thinking about in this class: read the syllabus, you'll get the outline of it. Look at the web tools on the left-hand side of your screen. Those tools are going to be, primarily you're going to use the email tool when you want to talk to me. So you email me as the course instructor there. And if you want to discuss with other students, you can put comments on the discussion board, used more by some classes than by others. And there will also be assessments and assignments. Now, the lecture class is built entirely on assessments, so you'll find your quizzes in the assessments tool. You'll also find the exams listed there with an introduction to the amount of time and what's on the exam, but you can't access it without a proctor. The other tool that you'll use is the web links, which will link you to these videos. It will also link you to some websites we'll be using in the class, and that includes the website for the first lab. Those are the major tools that we'll use. Traditionally, everything you need to find in this course will be on the course contents page. The readings that we're going to be doing will be on there. Accessory material for labs will be listed there. Within each folder that contains the unit, you'll find all the lectures that I have written. So there's some of those that they're sort of in letter format to you, but they highlight the important parts of each chapter that I think are worth sort of talking about in a more informal way. Okay, now what I'm going to do is work on generating some video clips to guide you through this process in each chapter, so you'll have, I don't know, a little different type of media, I guess. Again, welcome. I hope it goes great for you, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to call me. You know, I get calls. I will sometimes answer the phone. Yesterday I was shopping at Sam's Club and somebody called me, and that's great. You know, I helped somebody navigate onto the course page and it worked out fine. So if I don't answer right away, I'll call back. Sometimes that's easier than writing out a paragraph of how to get over some particular obstacle that you're stuck on. So just give me a call, and here we go. Welcome.